Big Sisters, we're a group of girls that try and engage other girls in disadvantaged areas into physical sport or fitness or activities.
The Big Sister project's one of the 23 projects throughout Wales for the Us Girls programme. We've got around 24 Big Sisters who run our programme for us in Caerphilly. Basically the focus was our volunteers who run the project with a Big Sister the role model for the females to look up to. We send 2 of them every week into their hubs. They run the classes, they ask the girls what the girls want to do, so we never go in and say, oh, you're doing this today. It'll be the girls' choice.
It's not only just engaging the young girls from the disadvantaged areas, it's actually giving good volunteers a really good stead for employability. We take them through training courses, life skills, and a lot of these young girls now are actually volunteering about 6 hours in the clubs per week and are also have had some paid work from it, so they are becoming employable. So it's a fantastic outcome.
At the start of the project, I was only really more of a dancer. Like, I didn't know how to coach any sport or anything, so my coaching developed, and now I'm going on to have qualification in sport and I'm going to do level 2 in dance.
I engage and connect with the girls and I give them the understanding, I help them, I guide them, and it's just life skills for them, and it's rewarding to see the outcome. One of our girls, she was in a homeless centre, single parent. She started as a participant, wanted to get involved in fitness, and she's now one of our main Big Sisters.
There's a lot, I think, to be said about allowing the girls to actually, take control and handle the clubs and the hubs themselves. They are building up a great reputation for themselves in the community, and they're building up, good rapport for themselves with their training.
I think if you are thinking about volunteering, definitely have a go, because this project has really inspired me, and also all the qualifications I have has led me to work for Creation, and I do get paid work out of it. It makes you more employable, like if you have volunteering and qualifications on your CV.
Throughout participants and volunteers, we've enhanced their confidence, we've eradicated barriers, built up their self-esteem, and we are changing lives.